Good day, everyone. Welcome to our presentation on the internal environment. Today, we will examine the critical components that shape an organization's success from within. Let's begin. After studying this topic, you should be able to use English to define the concept of managerial environment and identify its key components. Explain the differences between internal and external environmental factors. In this chapter, we study two topics. 1. Understanding the internal environment. 2. Navigating the external environment. Topic 1. Understanding the internal environment. We will learn to understand these contents. Firstly, identify the key components of the internal business environment. And secondly, explain the impact of each internal factor on management activities.
Now, let's dive deeper into how this environment is defined. What is the managerial environment? The managerial environment refers to these internal and external factors that influence how managers make decisions, set strategies, and run organizations effectively. It shapes the opportunity and challenge that organizations face in achieving their goals. Example, a tech startup must adapt internationally to stay competitive in a fast-changing market. Now, let's narrow our focus to the internal environment, where managers have more control. What is the internal environment? The internal environment of an organization refers to the factors within the company that impact its operation, decision-making, and overall performance. These factors are within the company's control and shape its ability to achieve strategic goals. Example, a company's management structure, corporate culture, and financial resources determine how it operates and competes in the market. Let us now explore the factors that create this internal environment. The first one is organization structure. The way an organization is operated, including hierarchy, decision-making process, and communication flows. For example, Tesla adopted a flat organization structure, allowing for rapid decision-making and innovation. Organizational culture, a system of values, beliefs, norms, and behavior that influence how employees work and interact within the organization. For example, at Google, a culture of creativity and openness fosters an environment where employees feel free to share ideas.
Now, let's move to resources. Resources includes financial, human, technological, and other assets that help the organization operate effectively. Example, Tesla uses financial resources to invest in new technologies. Next one is capability. Capability, the core competencies of an organization and leveraging resources to achieve a competitive advantage. Example, Amazon's core competencies lie in its logistical expertise and ability to deliver products quickly and efficiently. Core competencies, unique strengths that differentiate an organization from competitors. Adaptive capability, the ability to adjust to environment. Next are corporate culture and human resources. Corporate culture, the system of values, beliefs, and norms that influence how employees work and interact with an organization. A strong corporate culture enhances performance and employees' engagement. Example, Google has an open and creative culture that encourages teamwork and innovation. human resources refers to the people within an organization from employees to leaders. The qualities of human resources affect productivity, innovation, and competitiveness. Example, a company with skilled and motivated employees has a competitive. And the last two factors are financial resources and technologies innovations. Financial resources includes capital, revenues, cash flows, and financial assets. Strong financial resources allows companies to grow and invest in new opportunities. Example, Microsoft hires top talents to maintain its leadership in technologies. Technologies and innovations refers to the adoption of new technologies to improve product activities, reduce costs, and enhance competitiveness. Example, Apple uses financial strength to innovate continually.
This leads me to my next point, which is strength of the internal environment. Strong organizational culture. A positive work culture increases employee motivation and retention. Efficient leadership and management. Competent managers improve decision-making and strategic direction. Skilled workforce. Talented employees drive innovation and productivity. Brand reputation and customer loyalty. A well-established brand attracts and retains customers. Example, Apple's strong brand reputation, innovation culture, and financial stability are key traits that make it a market leader. On the other hand, we have weakness of the internal environment. Poor leadership and decision-making. Ineffective management can lead to business failure. Quick organizational culture. A toxic work environment reduces employee morale and productivity. Limited financial resource, insufficient funds can prevent growth and investment. Lack of skilled employees, a shortage of talent can slow down innovation and performance. Example, Nokia's failure to adapt to smartphone technology due to outdated R&D and slow decision-making contribute to its decline. We will discuss how managers can effectively handle these strengths and weaknesses. How to manage strengths and weaknesses. Leverage strengths. Use internal advantage to create a competitive edge. Improve weakness, identify and address internal challenges, align internal environment with strategy, ensure strength, support business goals.
In conclusion, the internal environment is a vital aspect that managers need to understand and control to ensure organizational success. By leveraging strengths, addressing weakness, and aligning the environment with strategy, companies can achieve their goals effectively. Thank you for your attention to my presentation.